To download Windblown on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. To do this, go to Google and search for Steam. Then click on the link that says "Welcome to Steam" at store.steampowered.com. On the Steam page, click Install Steam at the top middle of the page. Select your platform, such as Windows, and click Install Steam again. This will download the Steam setup to your computer. Open the setup and follow the prompts, selecting your language and destination folder for the installation. Once Steam is installed, open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one by following the steps provided. With your account set up, navigate to the Steam store by clicking Store at the top left of the screen. Next, use the search box to find Windblown, and click on the game to go to its page. On the game's page, click the Buy button. Then add the game to your cart and view your cart. Select whether you want to buy the game for yourself or as a gift. Then proceed to payment and choose your payment method from the drop-down menu. Complete the checkout process to purchase the game. After buying the game, it will be added to your Steam library, which you can access by clicking Library at the top left of the screen and selecting Games from the list on the left. Find Windblown in your library. Click on it, and press the Install button. You can then choose to create desktop or start menu shortcuts for the game. Select the drive where you want to install it, and press Install to begin the installation process. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking the green Play button that appears on the game's page in your library.